Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add elements in Capcut. So if you're using Capcut for your video editing, you can add elements such as stickers or photos into your videos by following the steps. So first, let's just launch the Capcut application. And then here you can just start a new project, or you can also open your existing project. For example, in here I'm going to edit my projects in here. Okay, so this is my project and I want to add elements to my videos in here. So first you can just go to where you want to add the elements. For example, here I'm going to add in this part. Then you can just swipe through the options at the bottom and tap on stickers. So in here, as you guys can see, there are lots of categories that you can add, that you can choose. There's this hot or trending one, maybe this is a pro one, so only the pro stickers appears in here. There's also this emoji elements, arrow, or I don't know what it's called. So you can just choose one, or you can also search for a specific elements by using this search bar at the top. So for example, I'm going to add sad. Let's try use that. You can see there will be shown a lot of elements or stickers that you can choose for your videos. So you can just choose which one. Let's try to add this one. For example, you can just click on the elements that you want to add, and then you can close this. Here, after you add it, you can adjust the size and also the positions to where you want on the video. You can drag it like this to adjust the position. And here you can also adjust the duration by adjusting here on the timeline. You can make it short or make it longer, and you can preview the result by playing your videos. So this is my elements, my stickers element. You can also add more than one elements if you want to. You can tap on the sticker button again and find another stickers that you want to add. For example, let's try to add this one. Okay, you can tap on the check icon. Again, you can adjust the size and also the position to how you like it. So that's all from me. That's how you can add elements in CapCut. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.